Kachava. Is this the best meal replacement shake ever, or just a really expensive bag of dirt? Stick around to find out. Hey, this is Rob again from Picky Daddy, where we review all the best stuff to waste your money on. You know, from exercise bikes to toilet night lights, we've got you covered. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. So today we're checking out Kachava, the health shake that you've probably seen on Instagram at least 82 times a day. They claim this is the cleanest, most nutrient-dense meal imaginable. Now, I thought a meal with 11 secret herbs and spices was pretty dense, but Kachava here is packed with over 70 plant-based superfoods and nutrients. Wow. Looking at the ingredients, it's got every vegetable you refused to eat as a child, and then a bunch of other exotic stuff nobody's ever heard of, like organic sacha inchi protein, am I even pronouncing that right? Camu berries, and organic maca root. Now, if you've seen the ads for Kachava on social media, they always show a glass overflowing with the thick shake oozing down the sides. Now, depending on how your mind works, that could either look like a delicious hot fudge sundae or a leaky diaper. Let's just hope it doesn't taste like one. Of course, it's great and all that Kachava is packed with so many nutrients that it could probably cure cancer, COVID-19, and an unhealthy obsession with 90 Day Fiancé. But if it's too hard to make or tastes like crap, no amount of reishi mushrooms is going to make a difference. Well, thankfully, here in the Picky Daddy kitchen, we put all products through rigorous testing, and only the best of the best are honored with the Picky Daddy seal of it probably won't kill you. For Kachava here, we'll be evaluating 3 key metrics: texture, taste, and will this make me quit my boring office job, slap Bernie Sanders bumper stickers all over my car, and spend the next 20 years attending free Tibet protests? Tibet still isn't free, right? Alright, so first let's look at the texture. According to the directions, we're supposed to just mix 2 heaping scoops of Kachava with 12 to 14 fluid ounces of cold water, blend well, and enjoy. So let's go ahead and do that. This cup is exactly 12 ounces. We're going to stick it in our Ninja cup. Now we'll add our heaping scoops. There's 1. And there's 2. Now the water in my fridge isn't super cold, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of ice. Alright, we're going to screw the lid on this. Blend it up. And you can see it's not really gritty or anything. I mean, it looks kind of like chocolate milk. This glass is too big to make it ooze out the side, but you can see it looks like chocolate milk. And now for the all-important taste test. Well, it's not bad, okay? I mean, it tastes like chocolate milk if you took out all the delicious parts of chocolate milk. I mean, it doesn't have a whole lot of flavor by itself. But, you know, then again, you know, it's not terrible. It's not like it tastes like moldy broccoli or anything. You know, I would drink this, but then again, I would put about anything in my mouth. But let's see what someone with a little bit more discerning taste thinks. Brought you some chocolate milk.
My chocolate milk smells good. Ugh. Powdery. Not super good, but maybe you would like it.
Yeah, that's not going to win anybody over. But, you know, we just followed the basic directions. Let's see what happens if we make one of those smoothies where stuff oozes out the side and see if that gets a better reaction. Okay, so now we're going to make a peanut butter banana Kachava smoothie. And I pushed the Ninja off to the side. We got the big guns out now. We got the blend tech because we really want to get this blended up nice. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to use some coconut water, banana, some peanut butter, obviously, and 2 heaping scoops of Kachava. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to fill up a 12-ounce cup here with coconut water. Dump that in. Next, we're going to throw in the banana. And if you saw our previous video on the composter, we're going to throw this peel into the composter. So go ahead and check that video out. All right, we're going to add our 2 heaping scoops of Kachava. Next, a big gloppy spoonful of peanut butter. And then a whole lot of ice. All right. Put that in there. Fire the blend tech up, and here we go. Pour this bad boy in there. Oops. Well, it definitely oozes off the side like in the video. Clean up in aisle 2. All right, let's see how this tastes. Wow, now that is good. That is good right there. Let's go back to our picky drinker. See what he thinks about this. Here's your chocolate milk.
You got me another one?
Yeah.
Thanks. It smells nice. Ooh, that one tastes good.
I can take that back for you if you don't want it anymore.
I like it.
Now, I have been drinking this over the past few days, and I think it's been giving me a little bit more energy. Now, I'm not going to go trade in my dress shoes for a pair of Birkenstocks and jet off to save the rainforest, but I do think it could be a nice addition to my morning routine. Kachava comes in 2 flavors, chocolate and vanilla. We tested the chocolate one in this video because, duh, chocolate. It costs about $70 a bag, which makes 15 shakes. Now, that may sound expensive, but if you are using it as a meal replacement, it comes out to about only $5 a meal. For me, the words meal and replacement just don't go in the same sentence. I still felt a little hungry after trying to use it as a meal replacement. It is only 240 calories per serving though, so I didn't feel too guilty cooking up some eggs to go along with it. If you want to go ahead and give Kachava a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can buy it right now. If you do, why not leave me a comment and tell me how you like it? Or if you've come up with some other recipes to make some thick shakes, let me know about that too. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed our review of Kachava. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out our website at pickydaddy.com where we do product reviews of even more stuff we don't do videos for. Until then, this is Rob from pickydaddy.com and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
pickydaddy.com